The SUNSUL 100W 12V monocrystalline solar panel is an excellent choice for those looking to harness solar energy efficiently, delivering up to 600 watt-hours of electricity per day. This solar panel is versatile, catering to a variety of off-grid applications such as RVs, boats, and homes, and can be easily connected in series for higher voltage needs. Constructed with strong, low iron tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, this panel is designed to withstand challenging weather conditions, ensuring longevity and reliability. Installation is straightforward, with pre-drilled holes on the back, making it compatible with most solar panel brackets available in the market. SUNSUL ensures quality with rigorous testing of each panel before it leaves the factory, providing peace of mind for buyers with reliable after-sales support. The robust build and efficient performance make this solar panelable addition to any sustainable energy setup.